This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Sometimes a cloud covers a flower. Sometimes it covers honeycomb. Ooh, they're tricking us. Use the if-else block to collect nectar at the flowers and make honey at the honeycomb. Okay? Remember, if there is a flower, the bee only needs to get nectar once. If there's a honeycomb, the bee only needs to make honey once. Okay, so if else is super important and it's real programming stuff. Like always, I'm just going to start by throwing stuff down. We can use up to 6 blocks. Right now I have 2 on my screen. So it looks like it's a tiny area. Let me just see what happens here. Okay, well what if, okay, so that time it was honeycomb. Oh, I see what they mean. You see how it changes? All right. So what could I do? I could move forward and I could get nectar. Let's try this. This is wrong. Because watch. Uh-oh, you're stuck. You can only get nectar from a flower, and there's honeycomb. Oh, okay, well then let me make honey. See, I got them both, so now I should be good. Uh-oh, I need to check first. So, right? If there's a flower, what would I do? But, blop. If there's a flower, I would what? Well, I'd want to get nectar. If there's not, right? So if flower, get nectar. Otherwise, at all other points, and since this is the end, I know it's a flower or nectar. It has to be one or the other, or honey. So if I'm at a flower, get the nectar. This will run as long as this is true. So I'm asking the computer, hey, is the bee at a flower? And the computer can say, true, you're at a flower. Do get nectar. And then it would keep going. Let's pretend I needed to turn right down here. Then I return right. I would never do this else. Else only happens if this is false. So right now I'd move forward twice if, and let's see. So boom, boom. Now I'm asking the computer question. If I'm at a flower, I'm not, right? I'm at honeycomb. So if I'm at a flower, the computer says false. You're not at a flower. Well, then what has to happen is else. So if I'm at a flower, no, you're not. Oh, well, otherwise make the honey. Okay, cool. And then once I'm done, I do this right turn thing, which I added there, we don't need, but it runs the code beneath once done. Now let's see in another. See, now there's a flower. Move forward, move forward. If I'm at a flower, this time that's true. So watch, I'll run get nectar, and that's it. Pretty cool. These are super powerful commands we're learning. Let's keep going.